Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome, my students. Our lesson today is talking about how can you see cells? How can you see cells? Can you see cells by your own eyes or by what? Let's see. Some things are too small to see with your eyes alone. Most cells are tiny. Most cells are tiny. Tiny means small. Tiny means very small. Bacteria, it's pronounced by bacteria, are the smallest cells of all. Bacteria are the smallest cells. To see most cells, you need to use a microscope. This is the shape of a microscope. This is the shape of a microscope. It makes small things look much bigger. This microscope lets things much bigger. Microscopes are also used to study viruses. Viruses are even smaller than cells. Okay? Scientists use microscopes to see bacteria and viruses. This is the shape of coronavirus. Coronavirus. Everyone now know the shape of coronavirus, and we all know coronavirus. Our lesson today is finished. Homework number 1. We can see bacteria and viruses by our own eyes. Yes or no? Answer by yes or no only. We see very tiny things by microscope or by glasses. We see very tiny things by microscope or glasses. Choose one of them. Glasses, this is glasses. Okay? Our lesson today is finished. Goodbye.